Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. And today we're comparing two different web hosting providers. So we have Hostinger and we have Kinsta. So one known for super affordable and other is all about premium performance. Spoiler alert, it's Kinsta. And so which one is the right for your website? So let's break it down. So what are Hostinger and Kinsta? So Hostinger first is a budget-friendly hosting provider. It is offering everything from shared hosting and VPS to cloud and WordPress specific plans. It's aimed at beginners, bloggers, and small businesses. And Kinsta, on the other hand, is a premium managed WordPress host built on Google Cloud Platform. It focuses on speed, scalability, and developer-friendly experience with zero shared hosting. Now, let's talk about user interfaces. So, Hostinger has its own custom dashboard called Age Panel, and it's clean, it's beginner friendly, it walks you through most tasks like a domain setup, file management, and emails. And also, Kinsta offers, My Kinsta, a professional dashboard built from scratch for, WordPress user. It's fast, it's sleek, and optimized for power users, and also developers will love the control it offers. Now, overall, Hostinger wins on simplicity and accessibility, while Kinsta feels more premium and performance oriented, so keep that in our mind. Also we have features. So hosting your key features is that it has free SSL weekly backups and also email accounts, built-in caching, and Lightspeed web server for performance. And also we also have one-click installs, domain registration, and also free website migration. Affordable cloud hosting and a VPS plans are available on Hostinger. Now let's move on to Kinsta features. So Kinsta is powered by Google Cloud C2 VMs and also automatic daily backups and staging environments. Also built-in Cloudflare CDN plus DDoS protection, and also dev tools like SSH, WP CLI, Git support, and also site analytics. And it also has 24/7 expert support focused only on WordPress. So bottom line is, Hostinger is a feature packed for the price, while Kinsta focuses on performance, security, and developer tools. Now let's move on to pricing. So pricing here. So this is on pesos, but this is basically $3. So $3 on Hostinger a month, so it's pretty good. WordPress plans start at $3 also. Cloud hosting starts at $10, and VPS and email services are available separately. While Kinsta is a bit more expensive, it does give you free for the first month. So you do pay don't pay anything. But after that you pay $30 from the base single site plans. But you can scale it up if you want more, visit and stuff like that, like 1 million visit or more storage. And same also with multiple site plans. You also have monthly here. Monthly is $35, so $50 and stuff like that. And multi-site plans start at 70, but if you do annual it's a bit cheaper. And you do get to WordPress for multi-site plans, more visits, more gig storage, more CDN, and unlimited free migration, and also 14-day backup retention. And if you have an agency program, you can buy this. So much cheaper annual too. So up to $10,000 in hosting credits, free hosting in your agency site, listing in their agency directory, unbranded WordPress admin experience, and access to account management and more. So you know, uh, Kit stays a bit more expensive. It scales up basically on monthly visits, so that storage. So it includes premium support and free migration. No shared VPS hosting, only managed WordPress. So Hostinger is the ideal for tight budget, but Kinsta is for price high performance sites and serious traffic. Now, so what would you choose between these two? So if you want a budget beginner friend building your first website, budget and need affordable hosting, running a personal blog, portfolio, small business site, I'll choose Hostinger any day of the week. And if you want a business agency or developer with high traffic sites and also looking for speed, uptime, and security without manual setup, and wanting manage WordPress hosting with world class support, I would choose Kinsta. So this is pretty good for premium stuff. And we also have alternatives. So we have SiteGround. SiteGround is pretty good. And you also have Bluehost. And you also have WP Engine. These are pretty good alternatives here. So WP Engine is a premium WordPress hosting with advanced dev tools. And last but not the least, we have Cloudways, which is very flexible, pay as you go cloud hosting for devs. So really good. So conclusion, if you need budget hosting that gets the job done, I'll choose Hostinger. It's really hard to beat. So if you're running mission critical WordPress sites and want performance and peace of mind, Kinsta is a very top tier choice. So let me know in the comments which one you're leaning toward and why. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next hosting breakdown. And I'll see you guys on the next one. As always, bye bye.